Hello guys, welcome to Cooking Class 101. Today I had a request and it's for steak and shrimp, okay? So let's get right into this video. I have onions, I have red bell peppers, I have green bell peppers, I have orange bell peppers, and I have 2 serranos. You guys, you know I love my peppers. So we're just going to saute these up. And if I started coughing, please forgive me because I have serranos in here. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. Like we need more heat, right? But I like to see my spices. Okay, we're just going to do this. This is a quick, easy, fun meal to make. Guys, I got a mask on. I hope you can hear me. Alright, so I'm letting this cook down. Here I'm having my steak strips. Okay, I put my steak strips in there, seasoned with my chicken rub. And I let it marinate with that a little bit. You just want this to cook. Make sure your steak is well done. Some like it medium rare. So when you start seeing turning brown, then we're going to add the next one. In the other pot, I already have my fettuccine on. Instead of using fettuccine, you can use spaghetti. But I like fettuccine because it has a wider, thicker bite to it. Guys, I got this mask on. It feels like a gas mask. Can't hardly breathe. Okay. Now I am going to add my garlic. See that piece? Right here? Flip it over. Yes, I'm using my favorite spoon. I'll put those mini in there too. Okay, now I am going to add a can of rotel. Put that in there. See how it's making its own gravy almost, sauce. Okay. You see how the temperature went down? That's because of the garlic. It was cold. Now, simple, super simple. Now I am going to add my shrimp. Okay, it's frozen and it's okay because that'll give it more flavor. Okay, I'll take the mask off now. Whew, all right, better. Okay, you just want to constantly, well, you don't have to keep stirring it because it's frozen, so you just kind of want to watch it. I'll be back when it's just about done. Since the shrimp was frozen, it took me about 5 minutes, okay? And this is how you want it to look. You see all that sauce in there? That's kind of what you want when I do the next step, okay? I tasted the sauce and it needs a little more seasoning. So now I'm going to use that much of the Better Than Bouillon. And I need to be sponsored by them. I keep telling them that. No, I don't. They don't even know who I am. And you want to stir it. Now adjust your seasonings as you go. If you feel that it needs a little more of this and a little more of that, by all means put that in there, okay? But adjust your seasoning. To get the chicken rub, go to www.carlissspices.com. Alright, now I'm going to taste. I'm just going to taste the sauce. I think a little more. And I said that would do it because once this sets, it'll be more flavored. Alright, my next one, I am going to put cream of chicken. I'll have to get a spatula for that. You see, you need the liquid in there for the cream of chicken. Cream of chicken soup. You can use cream of mushroom if you want. Look at that. I'm making this. You know, I made gravy out of the cream of chicken soup before. But this time it's sauce. See that? So this is the steak and shrimp. I could have used the other pack, but I didn't want to oh my goodness. This is so good. I didn't want to overpower with all that steak. If you like steak, then use 2 packs. Okay, my next one. So I'm going to put the pasta in. Okay. Just want to stir this around. And I think I'm going to put some I'm going to put some parsley in here too as well. Let me go get it. I didn't have any parsley, guys, so I'm using chives. Okay? Use what you got. If you don't have it, use it. I said that's maybe probably about 2 tablespoons. I did go back and put some more black pepper on there. So I need to turn my fire down. We'll turn it off, actually. Here you go. You can pair this with your favorite wine, or for me, it'll be sweet tea. There you go, guys. This is basically a one-pot meal, a budget-friendly meal. This would feed an army. Even though I'm exaggerating, but you get what I'm talking about.